Today we're looking at the 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer Active in a sterling gray metallic. This one is powered by a 1.3 liter turbo engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these gorgeous black interior leather heated seats on both sides with your active stitching up top and your white and yellow stitching along the side. At the bottom left you'll find your power seat controls, and of course up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find your infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have climate controls here in the middle to go alongside your USB-C and USB charge port down below. You have your shifter, automatic park brake, 2 cup holders, and of course additional storage here inside the middle console. Taking a look at the driver's side door, you have automatic power windows to go alongside your adjustable side mirror controls. By your handle, you have your power locks, and over here you'll find your automatic high beam controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. Taking a look at the right hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls here on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert, cruise control settings, and your heated steering wheel controls. Last but not least, this vehicle does come equipped with a push to start ignition. In the back we still have our black interior leather seats, plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here, and of course behind the driver's seat you do get a cubby with additional storage. You also have cup holders here along the middle, and last but not least, these seats are retractable. Just pull down the lever up top, and this will give you access to the back, no problem. Checking out the exterior here, we of course have our blacked out Chevy bowtie badge in the middle of our grille. You get these LED headlights along the side, as well as paint protection along the front. We have our lovely hand-cooked tires down below. Up top we have our white accented side mirrors, with of course our white roof, black roof rails, and keyless entry handles. We also have tint in the rear window, and if you make our way all the way to the back, you'll find Trailblazing and active badging along the back, blacked out Chevy bowtie badge. And opening up the liftgate here, you'll see we have plenty of space and storage inside. Cubbies on each side as well for anything you might need, as well as additional storage down below with your spare tire. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Trailblazer Active. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.